my team increased from 2 engineers to 6 engineers in like 4 months. And onboarding a lot of engineers in very short time, it creates, let's say, it can create a lot of bottlenecks in terms of like even just information transfer, right? You know, the company grows, and some engineers obviously leave, some new join, and then you have like a product that it used to have parents in the company, but now it doesn't. The product doesn't have any parents in the company. It can take months in a company in our size. With Leo, all the information is already at Leo's, and it's very easy to access, especially for a new employee. Instead of questioning different engineers in the company, they can just go and ask Leo a few questions. Instead of redesigning something that we already designed, we have it, at least something to begin with, or something similar to something that we already designed, and very comfortable to onboard someone. Instead of months, it can take days.